hellohnclothing.
What is up, beautiful people? Welcome once again to hellohnclothing's. Welcome to a shopping haul. We are going to get an industrial sewing machine. Yay! I can't contain my happiness. See, I couldn't even sleep well during the night. I was so excited. This morning we'll be going shopping. I'll be showing you the machine. I don't know if I'm still going to go with the option of they should deliver or if I'll be going there to pick it up. But whichever the case may be, let us go industrial machine shopping, okay? Guys, we are finally here. I actually took the option of coming down here because I want you guys to see everything. I wouldn't want you to miss the action, to know the location, and so you can also come down here to shop as well. So we are currently at a brother dealer here in Lagos, Nigeria, and this is the brother store here, right here in Surulere. So let's go in and see what we have in store. Okay, good afternoon. Good afternoon. We're here to get a sewing machine. Please, can we just go around to see what you have in store? Thank you. Okay, guys, so many options. Like right now, I am so thrilled. I don't know which to go for. So I'm hoping to get an industrial machine, and I know we have a wide variety of designers on this channel, so we'll be talking to Mr. Temitayo. Mr. Temitayo is a very pleasant guy, and we're going to be speaking with him to tell us about his recommendations for beginner sewers and the different varieties of designers we have on here. Good afternoon, Mr. Temitayo.
Good afternoon, ma. How are you doing today?
Fine, thank you. So please, can you give us a recommendation for beginner sewers?
All right.
Which machine will you recommend for us?
Okay. We have amazing ones like the Butterfly brand and the Brother brand. So the ones we have on our shelf here are the Butterfly brand and the Brother brand at the moment.
Great.
So please follow me. Let me show you the ones we have. Okay, so we have here the Butterfly brand. This is actually not one of our major brands. However, we have them also in stock. The Brother brand are our major brands that we focus more on. But we have these cool ones that anybody can actually pick up and start using immediately. It has up to like 14 different stitches which you can use, which include your 4-step buttonhole and also some baby locks for those that doesn't want to go wide at the moment and still maintain one machine to produce their fabric. Then let's now move on to other categories. We have this category for Brother, then we also have these other categories for Brother. So both of them are actually the same, but color difference. You might prefer one over the other. So I believe you might want to ask me what the price range will be. Okay.
Really love to know that.
Okay. So we have the Brother brand ranging from 70,000 naira to 75,000 naira for the basic ones. Then we also have the computerized ones which are above 70k from 100k upward, like the FS155, the GS2700 and GS700. Then any other one that you find interesting that you need me to explain?
Okay, so we saw this beautiful machine here, and
okay.
I think I'm interested in this.
All right.
So what
let
does this
me
do?
explain. Thank you for asking me about this machine. You have to come closer to this machine because this is actually one of the biggest we have.
Wow.
At the moment, number 5 in Nigeria. This is the first one. Yes. So this is an embroidery machine or monogram machine that has up to 50 inches embroidery area. This is the only type you get now as per single phase embroidery machine, and can actually produce your abaya, your female Arabian dress, your agbada, your Hausa wear in one go. You don't have to like patch the design and join up before you have one full one. So you can have them all designed and laid out. everything was specially built by this company. So they own the software, they own every other part of the machine.
And I hope it's not so pricey.
Well, pricey, yes, because this is the first time. But we hope that when things get better, the economy gets better, then the price of the machine will definitely come down. At the moment, we are giving it out at 4 million for whoever that is so interested in it. We only have one left on this particular one.
Guys,
So.
if you have an industry that produces abayas, agbadas, I think this is a must buy. Right, I think I'm loving this. This is a must buy. And see, they have amazing scissors there. See. Oh, so lovely. Great, amazing. Please, can you tell us about this machine here? It's caught my eyes just now.
Embroidery machine for your to design logo, flower, and all that.
Oh, so I'll have a pattern and it will design it for me.
You import from your own laptop. You design on your own laptop, and then import to the machine.
Oh, great. Amazing. And this is not so pricey, right? Not really. Okay. And I'm also seeing some very interesting machines over here. These are industrial machines, I
Yes.
think.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's not I think, I know they are industrial machines. But please, can you enlighten us
Yes.
more on this?
This is an industrial machine with distinction. So not like every other conventional industrial machine you get in the market. So this has a voice feedback from here, a speed control limit, a trimmer, an auto lifter. So what I mean is this: for you to be having a production and having to pull out a fabric, cutting out the materials and all that, or finding it difficult to use the foot lifter from the back, everything is automated in this machine. All you have to do is just do a back press and the foot will lift up by itself. You don't have to use the back, or you don't have to use a nail cap. Do you understand? Then while sewing, at the point of ending the sewing, once you do your back press, it's going to trim. You hear the sound. Can you hear that sound?
Wow.
That is the trimming scissors you
Hey,
have.
babe, this is
Then
amazing.
the speed is also adjustable. This is not the highest. You can also go lower on this here. That's your voice feedback. You can go as low as 400, then you start moving.
Guys, this is computerized.
Yes.
Can you see what I'm seeing? I'm loving this.
So this is ideal for beginner and also a professional. So if you are not sure about the type of tailor you'll be gathering or you'll be employing for your production, you can get this while you manually adjust the speed to suit whoever that is working on the sewing machine.
Okay.
So that's that.
Okay, so that means you're recommending this.
Yes, this is
This is
for those that
amazing.
can afford this.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So it's not also so pricey, right?
No, 250K. Yes.
Great. That's a steal, though, with the way our economy is right now. I think that's a steal.
This for leather.
It's for what?
Leather.
Oh, guys, if you have shoe and bag businesses, I think you'll be needing this machine. It's a leather sewing machine.
Then this embroidery also.
It's also an embroidery machine.
This one.
So many things in this sewing world. Amazing. I can see we have any sew, and but we also have other brands of machines.
Yes,
right?
there are.
Okay. So guys, I think we have manual machines here as well.
There is. So however, if you have any customer that are so interested in it, you can actually do that and get it assembled and also deliver. If you are within Surulere, Ikeja, and Lagos Island, we offer free delivery and free installation.
Ooh, amazing. Okay guys, so please make sure you contact Mr. Timmy and Mr. Temitayo on here so that you can grab your machine. See, I don't want any questions or where can I get sewing machines. Please, I've given you the answer. This is trusted, tested, tried. Okay, so guys, come through. I'll leave the numbers for you to contact on the screen, and also for you to get discounts off your purchases. I'm going to also leave a code right here on the screen, so you can use that code whenever you want to order your machines or buy your machines. Okay, you know I love you guys. Thank you so much, guys. So let me round up my own business and get going. All right, guys.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having us.
díẹ̀ ìlú tún wọn tí ò tiẹ̀ jù báyìí lọ tó kù tó máa fi kéjì bọ̀tẹ́ bá máa rà ẹ máa ní láti ra pure white ẹ sá ti ẹrí bó ṣe rí.
Kí ló orúkọ ilé?
Ẹ tó bá sọ pé industrial oil ní ọ̀nà làwọn.
Like that for 10 minutes.
Finally installed the machine, and the brand is a 2 Lion brand. So thank you so much. God bless you abundantly. Thank you.